Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems. Whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide, we have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change password on Snapchat. First of all, you can open the Snapchat application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can see the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and after tapping on it you can go to the settings at the top right corner of the screen. And here you can just simply scroll down. Now tap on password here, and after this you can now enter a current password that you added in a Snapchat previously. After adding the current password, you can see the option enter new password, and after this you can enter a new password, and it is the way you can now change password on Snapchat. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help? Drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.